now I'm going to go ahead and clean this window. I'm going to detail it, and then I'm going to talk about spot checking, and that's what this video is about spot checking. So I'm quickly wash the window. Get out my squeegee. I'm going to do the fanning method. Close out. You can close out on the bottom or on the side, doesn't matter. Detail the glass. Now I want to look, spot check. So I'm going to get close to the glass. The light's reflecting off the glass. I can see if there's any streaks, any water that I missed, any debris that I missed when cleaning the window. And you want to do this fairly quickly, because if you have a streak that's wet, or you got some water that you missed, if you do it quick enough before it dries, you can go ahead and detail it off the glass. Now, if it starts drying to the glass, and let's say you have a streak going across, you may be able to get away with detailing it when it's dry, but not always. And if that happens, then you're going to have to rewash the window, or you can try wetting your detailing cloth, wetting that area, trying to scrub it kind of by hand, and then do it. You kind of have to figure it out what works best for you. I know just first starting out in window cleaning, if I couldn't get it fast enough, I'd end up rewashing the entire window. And if that's what you got to do to get it clean and looking right, then that's what you got to do for your customer. As you become more experienced, you should have less misses. You should have less streaking to eventually where you don't really have any streaking. But every now and then, you know, there's always something that pops up that happens. And then at that point, you know, hopefully if you're quick enough, you can just go ahead and just detail it with your rag. Then you don't have to re-clean the window. And if you do, like I said, you can always wet your detailing rag, scrub the window, get the dry end, wipe it off, and that'll usually do it as well. As long as it's not some big miss, you should be able to do that without having to re-clean the entire window. So the key to the spot checking is to, like I said, you want to get kind of close to the window. If you have sunglasses on, you're going to want to lift those up and look at the glass, do a quick check, and then you're off to your next window. And of course, don't forget to wipe down the frame. But typically you want to wait to wipe down the frame until after you've done your spot check, because you have a limited amount of time before the water is going to dry to the glass if you need to detail that. So spot check and detail before you start wiping down your frame. That's pretty much it.